Mission 1. We're feeling good? Oh, the gumboots are on. Oh, bring the gumboots together. Bring the gumboots together. Oh, yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3, gumboots. Nah, we're set up. 2 backpacks, big salty barrel bag.
What's left in these fucking straps?
Yeah.
You know, I can hold that because you're holding.
Oh, wait, we gotta lock the car. All right, guys. Hopes are high, spirits are up.
Yeah,
We will be checking in with you very soon. All right, Riley. Over or under?
Gotta go under.
We definitely gotta go under.
Come on, man.
Come on. Dude,
Jurassic Park?
full Jurassic Park.
It's actually like King Kong.
Not bad, huh?
King Kong in the room.
How we feeling, guys?
Yeah.
Well, we made it. Not too bad, the walk, right? Easy. A little bit of luggage. Hey, I've seen better days, but it's alright. Yeah, we made it. It looks really good. So, yeah, pretty good stuff. Now we're gonna pack up and get out of here before it gets dark. Yeah, I call it a success. You know. Yeah. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Actually, like, unbelievably beautiful. But thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.